Okay, part 284, C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3P37. It's line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p37. Edingtonite, aluminum silicate vapor 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. Okay, so this is about the long-distance PDF science research results for the UFO spaceship communications device in the WOW data. January 25th, 2013. Today's February 17th. So we were looking at the keyword Thomsonite and a neutron diffraction. Continues from our last video's formulas to scolecite. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p36a. Thomsonite neutron diffraction formula 5G Wow Seti. Then a previous video, line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p36d. Hydrophobic zeolite materials, and then I just added the word formula to it. 5G Wow Seti, because I came up with the formula after I had finished filming it. So I changed the title after I filmed it. So keyword to Google is Edingtonite. Quote from Wiki: Edingtonite is a white, gray, brown, color is pink or yellow zeolite mineral. Its chemical formula is BaAl2Si3O10 4H2O. It has varieties with tetragonal or orthorhombic or triclinic crystals. Quote from the blog: from a chemistry, hydrated barium aluminum silicate. Subclass Tectosilicates. Silicates group is Zeolites. Uses as a mineral specimens and chemical filters specimens. Edingtonite's structure has a typical zeolite openness that allows large ions and molecules to reside and actually move around inside the overall framework. The structure actually contains open channels that allow water and large ions to travel into and out of the crystal structure. The size of these channels controls the size of the molecules or ions, and therefore a zeolite edingtonite can act as a chemical sieve, allowing some ions to pass through while blocking others. Edingtonite is one of the only two zeolites to have barium in its chemistry. The other one is harmotone with a formula of BaAl2Si6O16-6H2O. The heavy barium ion gives edingtonite the highest density of any zeolite. The larger amounts of water and the lower barium ion ratio lowers harmotone's density in relation to edingtonite. So that's from www.galleries.com. My thoughts. Water and vapor molecules can run through this crystal lattice for the deep space communication. Actually, I'm going to write down exactly which word it is, because when you go through hundreds of words, you're going to get lost. This Edingtonite crystal lattice structure for the deep space communication UFO device. Add to formulas in WOW's line 22, so we're going to cross-reference this. Keyword aluminum silicate, the source from www.wisegeek.com. Aluminum silicate, so this is a quote. Oh, sorry. From blog. There. Oops. Okay, so aluminum silicate, also known as aluminum silicate, is a mixture of aluminum, silica, and oxygen that can be either a mineral or combined with water to form a clay. It can also combine with other elements to form various other minerals or clays. Some of these forms are used medicinally and industrially. They retain their strength at high temperatures, a property known as being refractory. Some of the minerals are used as gemstones. Mineral aluminum silicate comes in three different forms: kyanite, andalusite, or sillimanite. They all have the chemical formula of Al2SiO5, but they have different crystal structures. All three forms are rarely found in the same rock because each occurs under different conditions of pressure and temperature. Only kyanite and sillimanite are used industrially. Kyanite is unusual in that its hardness varies depending on the direction of the crystals. Some of the crystals are similar to blue sapphires and are used as gemstones. Kyanite is also used in the making of frequently used industrial compound molite. This compound has a chemical formula of 3Al2O3.2SiO2. It is used as a refractory in the ceramics industry and in the manufacture of many things, including high voltage electrical installations, glass, and heating elements. And that's from www.wisegeek.com. There's a link there, okay? So I'm going to have to add kyanite. We want kyanite in our chemical. And so add to obsidian glass mixtures, and you want to add this kyanite plus ceramics to insulate fiber optic wiring in UFO engine. I'm going to cross-reference ceramic in WOW data. There you go. So I'm going to add to the formulas in the WOW data. And add to formulas in WOW data. There you go. So actually I'm going to do this. Okay. So cross-reference the word ceramic when we get to line 27. I stopped putting till line 27 because that's just general knowledge here, right? Okay, so thanks for watching.